when you're looking to simplify this, we need to factor everything. So my first fraction, my denominator is already written as a binomial. I can factor my numerator. The two factors of minus 10, whose sum is a positive 3, plus 5 and minus 2. I'm going to invert and multiply. So I'm going to treat this as a single fraction. So my 1 moves from the denominator to the numerator. And I'm going to factor my denominator now. The two factors of negative 6, whose sum is positive 1, plus 3 and minus 2. Okay, so that's the first step. I invert and multiply. And then I'm going to cancel any common factors here. So the w minus 2's cancel. Nothing else does. So across the numerator, I have a w plus 5. And in my denominator, I have w plus 3. There's two of them. I can either write it as squared, or I can write it out as two individual factors. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in this form. Okay. To account for your domain restrictions, we look for any factors canceled in the denominator, and then any factors in this inverted form that still remain in the numerator. So there are no variables in the numerator, so I can disregard that. I do have that w can't equal a 2 based on this canceled factor. That's not apparent in my simplified answer, so I'm going to include that as an additional domain restriction.